Are you tired of getting 200 views on your video? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the secret tool that this creator uses to get consistent million views on his shorts, that is on YouTube. And this creator gets a lot of views consistently on his video in TikTok. So these tool creators are very creative and they use a secret tool. And in this video, I'm going to show you that too. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cashflow Academy. Don't forget to like this video and share this with the fellow content creators. Okay, picture this. We have Tom. Tom is a good storyteller and decides to open both YouTube and TikTok pages. In YouTube, he decides to post shorts. See, Tom is making storytelling shorts on TikTok, on YouTube, and storytelling videos on TikTok. Unfortunately, his views are stuck on 200. This is the most devastating thing, that you make a video which you are working on it and then you get only 200 views on your video. And to solve this, Tom has to come up with an idea. So in most cases, the best idea is to see what a neighbor is doing. So in this case, Tom will use his competitors to get an idea on what they're doing to get more views and get that popularity on their videos. So in the most cases, in the past, it was very difficult to identify where the people who are doing a niche and how they do it. But in this tool, which I'm going to show you, the views or the analytics is already done for you. So your work is just to see what they are doing, copy what they are doing, and get viral. So this is where these tools, this tool comes in handy. The tool is called Virlo. Virlo is a tool that is helping a lot of creators to be at the top. Virlo does all the analytics. It compares every video that is going viral in every niche, and it gives you all the details that you need to know and shows you that this is the video that is going viral, and you can copy that video and you also post yourself that video and then go viral. So the whole thing is that it gives you the picture that this is the content that is going viral at the moment. Copy this content and go viral too. So to access this tool, you just click the link in the description below. Once you click the link in the description below, it will lead you to a page that looks like this, where you have to create an account. Once you create an account, you will land to your dashboard. The dashboard looks like this, very simple, easy to understand, and all the niches that you wish or which you are doing, they're over here, and you can also look at them one by one. So let's say that in this dashboard, it has shown us this content that is going viral in the niche of celebrities. This is for TikTok. It has 1 million likes and it is going viral. That is 11.4 million views. Let's say this is a podcast clip for those people who clip podcasts. This is another video that has gone viral. That is 559.9k views. That is on TikTok. And also you can filter them to only YouTube, where you can see the shorts that are going viral on YouTube, which is very easy. As you can see here, for those who are doing clipping, this is the clip that is getting 5.3 million views for the clippers, YouTube clippers. And these clippers are making a lot of money. For the history niche, you can see here it's getting 3.4 million views, and so on. And the anime, you can create an anime that looks like this, getting these views. So, and it goes on like that. So immediately you can see here, you can pick a niche and see the analytics of the niche. So in this case, I'm going to take the example of Tom. But I know that once you're here, you're wondering, what am I going now to do in order to get to go viral? So the answer is very simple. The first thing that you will need to do is come and look for your niche. So in this case, you're taking the example of Tom, who was a storyteller. We'll just click here, storytelling, and immediately all the things that you need to know about the storytelling niche are available for you. So in the storytelling area, in this video we're going to look at that. It tells you the current performance of that niche, the consistency of those people who are still posting on that, the engagement trend of that video, and the best time to post the storytelling video. That means that the storytelling, the stories that you tell, the where the audience is actively watching those videos. So as you can see these analytics here, you can see here this was January 7th. It's where this niche of storytelling was at the peak. A lot of people were listening to stories being told on the social media platforms. So this is the analytics that has been done for you, and these are the advices or the notes that you can pick from here in order to post your videos in order to go viral. So here you can filter the dates and everything. So and it tells you the top creators on storytelling. So this is the best part of this tool, is where it tells you the top. This is where you can go and follow them and also interact with their viewers in the comment section, so that their viewers also can come into your posts and also interact, even as long as you're in the same niche. Interacting with them, the algorithm also will send some of the views to your stories. So it's kind of very simple and very easy. So it tells you the top storytellers and how you can, in this case, you can just click on their social media and see what they're posting, because they're at the top, and then you can copy what they're doing. So, and also it gives you the top ideas on what stories to tell. You see, this is the best part of another best part of this tool. It gives you the top ideas. So in this idea, even if you do not have a content to make on, or the content idea to make on, you can just come to this tool and get the ideas from here. And these things are updated every single day. Consistently, they are being updated. So, and then we come to the best part of it, the stories that are at the top at the moment. You see, these are the stories that are top at the moment, which you can analyze them. Like this one has 14.8 views, for 14.8 million views. Imagine watching this video, making a replica of this using the same tone, or maybe copying something that the storyteller is doing to your video, and then immediately it will get us back, because this one is already at the top. The same to your video, it will get that spark and gets to the top. And this one, the same thing is happening over here. You see, the storytelling is very simple and it's getting a lot of views. So you can copy these strategies that they're using to make their stories go viral. So that is very simple and very easy. When we talk about this creator search, You can search to your computer which you know, and the competitors that you know, and you can search them here and analyze them, analyze the niche that you want to focus on, and make your collections over there. So another part of this tool is where you can join their Discord, where you can interact them. If you have any problem with the software, the website, you just interact with them and get the feedback immediately. And also you can make some cash using these tools, and that is the affiliate program. In the affiliate program, you just register yourself here and get and earn 20% of every paid referral. So this is just a paid tool, and you can see whether you can use it either monthly or yearly, which I will prefer or usually use annually because it's much cheaper and it saves a lot. And you can see it is very cheap. Like this one is annually, and you only pay $20 per month, which comes up to 243. That's not a lot in here, where you can purchase this and then you can analyze your niche every day and see what to post every day to go viral. And if you are monetized, it's very easy because you'll be earning a lot, because your videos will be getting at the top since you're copying the people who at the top are doing. As we were in school, we are being told that you usually see the strategy which the top scorers are using in order to be at the top, so that you can use those strategies and also be at the top. This is the tool that uses the same concept. Copy what the people at the top are doing and be at the top. Thank you for watching this video, and for those who register, the link is in the description below. And for those who have any questions, just drop them at the comment section. We'll be able to answer them. Thank you for watching.